This is the best thing ever. Hi guys, it's your girl Reeni Lovinia and I'm back again with another video. I know it's been so long, but I'm finally back. Life has been lifing. I mostly forget to vlog. If I'm not forgetting to vlog, I'm so busy I can't even pick up a phone to go to my camera to vlog. But today is kind of chill. It's Sunday. I have work tomorrow. I have a busy week coming up, but it's better. So this is my YouTube video, and yeah, I'm gonna let you guys see me well. I fixed my hair yesterday. I had wanted to show you guys, but I don't know if I was able to style it well, but it was really nice when I did it. It was really nice when I did it. I did it yesterday. I think it's cute. I think I look good. It's giving me main character energy, you know? Okay. So yeah. Right now I'm at the pool with my sister. We're just trying to relax and release all the hot. What? I'll show you here, guys. So yeah, you see. So that's Irene. I don't know what she's trying to do. She has a YouTube channel. She vlogs all the time, but she never posts it. I don't know why. So here we are. There's the poolside, and that's Irene over there. We are going to change and take a swim. Here at the washroom. I'm about to change and we take a swim and go back home because. Hi guys, so you see what I've put on my head? Right now I'm in a pool. I need to learn how to swim, by the way. I don't know what's going on my head, but my sister did it for me. I can't swim, but I have all my Google's swimming tools. Swimming, not talking. Swimming. Hi guys, so I told you guys I was gonna learn swimming, right? Today is the day. Learning how to swim. So let's go. Don't even notice, don't need to remind you. Wish I could build me a cute apartment, one bedroom where all your heart is. Each place feels broken hearted. Cross the bed feels way too far. And I wonder when they see just one, do they see us through? Where do you end? looking such a mess right now, but I'm going to make my hair. Not make my hair, tomorrow is Sunday, but I'm just going to work. I don't know, I just want to do something to myself. So let's see what we can do. Probably wash my hair. I don't know about making it, but I want to check out a certain place. So let's go there. Hi guys, so I woke up this morning. My sister got me these bracelets. Isn't it cute? So cute, right? And these ones as well. So pretty. She got me a box of perfume oil. A necklace, purple one. She already gave me a brown one, but I'm sure she saved this for free. She gave me this mud mask, hand cream, pimple patch, because I'm going through it. I mean, what's a gift without something you need, right? And a cute note. You guys want me to read it? It says, help me open it. Okay, great. It says, roses are red, violets are blue. You annoy me daily, but I still choose you. Ha ha ha. Happy birthday to the prettiest and the smartest and the funniest sister. Mwah. So cute. So cute. I love you, my stuff. So guys, I got another gift. So beautiful. I got this non-alcoholic Reeni sparkling red grape juice in this beautiful box. How cute. Like the packaging and everything is giving happy Valentine's Day. And I got this. Ooh. I have 3 of these. And in here I have the 3 pieces set Ferrero Rocher chocolate. And in here I have a bag. Oh my god, I don't own a brown bag, so this is actually a classic. Yeah. How amazing. Okay, so there's the handle. This is the first one. Okay, so this is like for the short hand shoulder bag, and this is for a longer one. Next, oh, there's another set of chocolate here. Ooh, so I got 2 of these. How cute. Let's go to the other one. I'm excited for this. I'm going to pretend as if I've not seen this already. I think this is the only thing I opened when it came. Ooh, sparkling. How is this inside? When I opened it, I didn't see this. You put it in. Oh my god, my sister is amazing. This is the best thing ever. Do you know that? Oh my god, I love it when I receive gifts in silver and gold, especially when they are jewelry. This is beautiful.
How is sparkling?
This is beautiful. I love this. The quality is insane. It's nicely. Let's check out the gold ones. Oh my god, I love this. I love bracelets. Oh my god, if you know me, you know I love jewelry. I literally wear jewelry to class, school, writes, papers, anything. I'll just send it anywhere. Isn't this amazing? So heavy and sparkly, and I love it. Ooh, I'll literally wear all 4 together. Can't tell me nothing. Oh my god, these are cute. They're so pretty. So pretty. I actually feel really loved right now and cared for. It's such an amazing thing. So guys, this is what we have all together. I just finished waxing. It hurts so badly. So badly. My way to work.
So how you wanna play this? You got somebody, I've been in this predicament.
It's Wednesday, and I usually get home around this time. That's if I'm not too busy at work. Yeah, it's late, but I'm sure I'm far off. It's better I come home like 6:30. By this time, I'm too tired to do anything. But if I have orders like today, I do have an order, but I have to restock some things before I can proceed. So I'll just freshen up, and if I have any outstandings, I do them, and that'll be it. And eat if I didn't eat lunch like today. So yeah. So I just got home. That little girl behind me, she ain't shit. I see. So tired. So tired. They're all tired. Like. Yeah. I love my stuff so much. I wanted this girl right here didn't give me anything for my birthday, but I rather got her something just right.
How it went? I really need time now. I need to free mind now. I really need mine now. I need to free my mind now. I really need time now. I need to free mind now. I really need mine now. Yeah. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Send me a love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one price that you cannot fix. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Finding a way where you cannot see. Man with this system, he cannot pray.
I'll make you start to that's it, man. You always have this guy, the open cover part.
Hi guys, so this is how I look after my hairdo into pretty. I mean, I started to look it, but yeah. So I'm on my way to work. But yeah, so I'll see you on my next one. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate it so much.